In this video, I am going to be talking about another important plugin which I think you should have on your blog. And if I was doing this video 1 year ago, I'll probably not consider this to be important, but because now things have changed a lot, but my wife doesn't use a laptop like she used to, because now she has the iPhone 4S or whatever. So every time she's on the bed, she's browsing the web. She could spend, I can't imagine myself browsing the web on the iPhone 4 because of the 3.5-inch screen, which is too small for me. I use the Galaxy Note, actually the Galaxy Note 2 with 5.5 inches. And since I got this phone, which I'm totally in love with, I also browse the web on my mobile device a lot. Actually, browsing the web on my the only time I use my laptop is now to do videos like this, to do heavy work. I don't do general browsing already. I used to go to Engadget to read the website on my laptop, but now I wouldn't even think about doing that unless I'm crazy, like open my laptop to just read the blog. No, I do it on my phone because the screen is big enough to read any kind of text. So this is why you have to optimize your own website as well for phones, because this is where people are going to be reading most of your, even if they're not reading this all the time, but at least when they go to the phone to access your page. And especially nowadays, that if you are going to be sending them a lot of emails, if you're going to be sending them a newsletter or emails to remind them to visit your website again, then it's a good idea that every time they click a link inside the email, because people are going to read emails on the phone. You know that nobody goes to the laptop to read the email anymore, because BlackBerry, iPhone, Android, everything, you get your email on the phone, so people can click on the link and then they will be taken to a mobile friendly website, a mobile friendly web page. And that is a joy if your website has been optimized to work for mobile devices. So this is why you have to download this particular one called WP Touch, which is extremely useful and nice. And so let's look at the details. I hope okay, yeah, it was actually updated like 9 days ago, which is good. It's been downloaded 3.8 million times and a lot of good ratings. I think you can let's look at the screenshots, because as you can see, this is the iPhone, and all your posts has been organized in such a way that it looks really good on an iPhone, that people will love to browse your website when they have this kind of format. So as you can see, your pages look really nice. Look at that, the home page, the contact us page, the create. So every part of your website has been optimized for an iPhone. I won't be able to demonstrate this for you because I can't show you what it will look like on a mobile device, but as you can see from the screenshots here, it quite looks, all your pages will look good on mobile devices. So I advise you to install this. So let's install this on my website and activate it. And where are the options? So we have 3 ways to access the option. This is the first place I always look under the settings for the WP Touch. So okay, this is loading slowly. Now there you have it. You can go pro, but that's all up to you. W Touch language automatically detected, that's fine. Home pages, so these are all the explanation of what each one does. WP Touch home page, WordPress settings, WordPress tutorial, you can change your WordPress title and stuff. Then enable truncated titles, show author names, show category, show tag, show excerpts. You can configure all these things individually, and these are the advanced option. Allow zooming on content if you want people to be able to zoom on the iPhone. Enable category tabs in header, enable tab in the headers and stuff. So when you have the currently enable user agents, so it's telling you all the agents that are currently supported, so like Android, BlackBerry, So what you do is when you install this, then you can have your mobile device in your hand, and then refresh it every time you make some changes here. So the last time I used this, you can even get some advertising revenue. I think if you put your Google AdSense ID, we're going to be talking more about how to generate stuff. Default icons and custom icon post. So you can use default. You can change some of the icons on the page, and just to make it look good. What I think, more customization. I am not sure because let me save option. I think they should have, and pardon me if I'm wrong, they should have a way for you to actually view like a simulator or something, so that it can show you what it will look like on an iPhone. So I'm looking around it because from the last time I used it, I thought maybe, let's look at this, bro. Let me look at the Pro. So Christine, and iBuy version of your website is WordPress. Easy to use, also theming, great for creating. How does it work? How's it different? Yeah, it might have a lot of more features, but I'm just really curious to see if the one here should have something like a simulator, so that when we click on the simulator we can see how it looks on an iPhone. But anyway, never mind. And you should go through these options and configure it, and then view your website on a mobile device and see how it looks, and I can guarantee you that you're going to be in love with it. Thank you.